Hello, today we're gonna learn one word Makaton sign, and next we translate to Somali and English, and the word is so'o. So'o. Again, so'o in Somali. In English we say walk, walk. Again, walk, walk. Then I'm gonna make a sentence for you to understand. I'll say in Somali first. Suleiman Su'a. Suleiman Su'a. And then you walk. And then I'll say in English. Suleiman walk. Suleiman walk. Okay? I'm gonna say one more time. The word is, you tell me. Su'a. Again. So, in English you say walk, walk. And then you can use your name, and I hope you learn one word, very useful for you. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe it. Is it on the left or the right? You decide.